In this lesson, I want to tell you about several generative fill features in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so we'll start with the fill function itself. As you can see here, select an area, click on Generative Fill and type in whatever you want. Scourge, beach, Generative. Here's a beach like this. Now select this part and type ocean. Here it generates the ocean for us. I like this one more. Now we select the top part and type sky there. Generate. Here are different sky options. I like this one. Alright, now we can extend the image. This is already the second feature. For this, you need to merge all the layers. So at this point, we carefully extend it as needed, as necessary, and then proceed to click on Generate. And now it will extend the image for us. Here it has generated different sand options. I like the second one the most. We can also expand it sideways. Generate. And it will generate this side for us in 3 versions. I like the first one. The third feature is removing or replacing objects. We can select the objects, click Generate Fill, Generative Fill, and then click Generate, Generate, Generate. And here it generates for us. Now both the person and the little flag will disappear. There you go. As we can see, they have disappeared. Here they were. Let's merge all the layers except this one. Now let's press Ctrl Shift Alt N. This will create a new layer and we'll move it to the top. Now let's press Ctrl Shift Alt E and the image from the background will appear there. Now let's take this brush here, the remove tool. It also uses generative fill, but specifically for removing objects. Here's some person. We select them, boom! Thinks he's disappearing. We don't need this little flag here either. Boom! And it's gone. Now object replacement. We can select this object. Let's replace this rock with some seagulls. Generate. This one looks the most similar. Now we can take the remover brush again. We merge the layers and use the removal brush to erase the unnecessary part. The part we didn't need. There you go. We can also add objects. We select an area, use generative fill, and here we type rocks. generate. So I generated it, and we got these three options for rocks. These are the main functions of generative fill. This was Robert F. DeFeeve with you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye everyone.